can always see the name. They say they want a real one. They say they want a real one to make them feel young.
Hey yo, what's good, family? Welcome back to Astronori for another video. Today we're actually going to be talking about Supreme Week 0 for Spring Summer 2020. There's a whole lot of heat that's supposed to be coming out for this upcoming week. There's going to be a separate online and an in-store release, so we are going to talk about all of that today. If you do end up enjoying this video, go ahead and slap a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Click those post notification bells so you're notified each and every time I post a new video. And with all that being said, man, let's go ahead and get straight to it. So for this week, bro, it's gonna be fully loaded. Normally on week 0 they drop so much heat that it's easy to buy some of the fire pieces that are gonna be coming out, and that's honestly why I'm excited for this upcoming week, because I feel like there's so much shit coming out that you should be able to secure something that you want. But one flaw is that there's so much shit dropping that if your pockets aren't deep enough to touch the ground, you won't be able to buy everything that you want. So for this first week, we're gonna cover some of my favorite items, some of the ones that I feel like are gonna have resell. I'm gonna link Supreme Community with the drop list at the top of the description, just in case you guys do want to check it out. This video is actually sponsored by Addict.io. If you guys do want to secure Supreme this season, you should definitely go ahead and check them out. I will link them at the top of the description. Addict.io honestly did cook up almost every week last season. I feel like they're going to do the same this upcoming season because they did update all of their servers. They updated everything that's going on with their bot. It is for iOS and it is $130 if I'm not mistaken. With my code, it would go down to like $120. You can also pay this in 4 different payments, and I do feel like this bot will see much success this upcoming season. They managed to get me a box logo tee last season, and that's mainly why I decided to keep on working with them. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get straight to it. All the way at the top, we have the glow-in-the-dark Zippo. I've never seen a glow-in-the-dark Zippo before, and I feel like this one with the Supreme branding like that, it's definitely gonna be a high value item once the dust settles. I feel like there's gonna be a lot of quantity when it comes to this, but they've never done a glow-in-the-dark one. The Supreme branding is pretty good, so I do feel like resell on this definitely might be there. One piece that I'm kind of skeptical on as far as resell goes is this Leatherman rebar. This rebar has 17 different tools that you can use within the actual one tool. It's a multi-tool, and I feel like this is gonna release for well over $100, like $140, $150 at most, which is steep as shit for a multi-tool. I would at max pay $89 for this piece right here. I do feel like it's super fire. It comes with a case. It has a ruler, a knife, a machete. Bro, it has everything you need in one. It has something to pull the fucking nail out of your tire. That's what it looks like. But this piece right here is definitely so clean in my opinion. I would love to buy a piece like this, but I just can't see myself buying it, bro. It's just too expensive, too much shit coming out. Next up, we have this 32-ounce water bottle. This is actually lovely if you're going to the gym. This is a lot of water. This is 2 bottles of water, which is normally what I end up drinking when I do go to the gym. I do like the fact that it has like this actual casing for the water bottle, and then the water bottle is all clear with the little box logo. That's really all you need. I am a fan of this piece right here. Next up, we got the Tupac hologram tee. This is one that when I heard they were doing a Tupac collaboration, I was so amped, bro. I thought it was gonna be like a fire ass photo tee, something fire, bro. But this right here, it's kind of ass, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all one bit. This is kind of ass, and if it wasn't Tupac, I wouldn't be buying it. We do have the skate deck to match the tee. I'm equally passing on both, but since it's Tupac, I'm gonna try to go for it. If it wasn't Pac, man, I would not be going for that shit, to be honest with you guys. We do have this portable turntable record player head ass. This shit is hard, bro. I've never thought Supreme was gonna drop something like this, but when it comes to Supreme, you just don't know what they're gonna hit you with. I feel like this is fire. It does have a speaker built into it, but I don't know how the sound on that is gonna be, honestly. I am a fan of the actual piece. I feel like the price is gonna be like $178 or somewhere near that. They're not just gonna let this go for cheap. But fire piece, regardless of the price or none of that, I definitely feel like down the line this will have resale value, because there's a lot of people that are into collecting records, and this is something that might be useful for them, and it's hyped as well. Can't go wrong with it. We do have this distorted logo skateboard. This shit is so hard. Huge fan of this piece right here. I honestly feel like if they chose one of those box logos and threw it on a tee, shit would bang. I do like the black one more than the other one. Definitely a fire piece. We have the shop tee, which is like the classic logo pretty much on a shirt. I am a fan of that one simply because it's so simple. You can just throw it on. It's one of those vintage Supreme looking tees, and I am a fan of that. We got the S logo hoodies coming out and the S logo sweats coming out. This is what I was saying about so many pieces dropping the first week that you might not be able to buy everything you want. The S logo shit is coming out, but you got 10 accessories, you got 10 tees coming out, you got the bags coming out. Too much shit for the body, bro. I can't afford all this shit. I do want to buy an S logo, but I just don't know if I'll be able to secure one this week. Honestly, kind of bummed about that, but I love that pink colorway, the violet colorway. The other ones I feel like we've seen before, but definitely those two are standing out to me. Next up, we got the book bags, and since we're talking about the book bags, I'll talk about the shoulder bags and the waist bags as well. I feel like the book bag is definitely clean. I am a fan of that camel colorway more than any other. I feel like they've done the red, they've done the yellow, they've done the black, but that camel colorway is the one that's standing out for me out of all the bags. Huge fan of the backpack. I honestly need a book bags, but I don't think I'm gonna pull the trigger. They'll definitely have some book bags left over on week 2, week 3. So if my pockets are still standing for those weeks, I will try to go ahead and buy one of them. But the book bags are fire. The waist bags are definitely better than the shoulder bags this season. I feel like they're more, I don't know how to explain it, they're well put together. Shoulder bag kind of looks like a stripper netting and it's not too great. I am a fan of the waist bag more than that though, because it has the simple Cordura fabric on the front, then it has the netting on the sides like it should. Kind of better in my opinion. If the price isn't too far off, I definitely would rather have the waist bag. But next up, we do have this paint logo tee. This shit is fire, bro. This is probably one of my favorite tees. If it wasn't for the Tupac or the classic logo, this is probably my favorite tee right here. I love the multicolor, kind of like an airbrush feel to it. We do have the over dyed beanie as well. That tan colorway with the red box is fire. That violet purplish color is fire as well. I would definitely go for either the navy or the black, because one thing that I noticed is that I have a whole bunch of different colors of beanies, but I don't have like a solid simple black beanie. Definitely would go for that one. We do have like this fox fur varsity jacket, which is one of the ones that we saw leak a while ago. Definitely a fire piece. I feel like the price on that shit is not gonna be right. It's gonna be high as hell, but hey, whoever can manage, you can manage. We got the boxer briefs coming out. That's regular though. This cherries tee is actually not that bad, bro. I am a fan of this one. It kind of gives me like vintage Supreme vibes for some weird reason. Definitely a fan of that one. We got this Gore-Tex anorak. I feel like if this was releasing as a TNF, people would be going bananas over it, but since it's not TNF, it's kind of lower on the list. This would have been top 1 item if it was TNF. This design is insane to me. I love the way that it looks. It's just so clean. Then you got that Supreme on one side right here. This all over print like galaxy. I don't even know what to call it. It's just so beautiful in my opinion. I definitely would go for that red one. The black one isn't bad as well, but fire piece. And we will have the pants to match if I'm not mistaken. We got this Rawlings catcher's vest. I'm good on all that, but that will be releasing this week. I don't understand why I, a regular person, would need this. We're gonna see people walk around with this that don't even play baseball. We got this small box long sleeve releasing this week. These are cool. Actually, these are fire. These are hard, bro. Damn, so much fire shit dropping this week. It's kind of a letdown. Too much shit, bro. We got this Laugh Now tee, which is actually fire in my opinion. I love the fact that it has a small logo on the front, big logo on the back. I feel like some of these items definitely will have resale down the line, but the quantity for Supreme is increasing at a rapid pace. They've been dropping so much quantity for these items that resale low-key takes a hit, but definitely some of these pieces will have resale. But that Laugh Now tee is a vibe, and I'm definitely gonna try and go for that one. We got the Hanes socks dropping in red this week. Not bad. I low-key am gonna try to buy some socks. Maybe not this week, but probably some of the upcoming weeks. We got this New York sweater, which is like the skyline, and it says New York on the front. I feel like it should have said Supreme on the front, New York on the back. That would have been better in my opinion. But we do got the military camp caps coming out too. Definitely too much shit releasing, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. I would have liked to have some of these items like the military camp camp cap in the camo colorway. It's just too much shit, bro. Like, I'm overwhelmed. We got the bird call, which I don't care about. This Mary hooded sweatshirt is pretty clean. I definitely like that yellow colorway, and like that soft minty green is so fire to me. But we got the bling tee. This is another one that's like, I could live without it for sure. We got the known as hooded sweatshirt. We wanted to be known as Supreme is what it says on it. This is cool. Nothing over the top for sure. I feel like this wasn't even on the lookbook, to be honest. But we do have the Naomi tee. I feel like some of these tees I'm gonna buy to raffle off, because I'm not gonna wear all these tees. I have a lot of Supreme shirts that I just keep dead stock. But we got this black cat tee. I feel like if you get this black cat tee in black with the all black Jordan 4s and some black denim, you killing them softly. Like, you're not doing too much, but you still killing them. You know what I mean? Fire tee nonetheless. This duffel is kind of ass, bro. It's see-through. Like, where could I really go with this duffel? You gonna know exactly what my Bonte looks like. I'm good, bro. We got this loved by the children tee. I feel like the tie-dye on this is so beautiful. But you got Jesus Christ on the cross on the front of the tee. It does say loved by the children under it, and it says Supreme on top of it. Definitely something that is gonna not resonate with some people, if I must say. We got the tagless tees coming out. We got the paneled track jacket, which is that Gucci colorway jacket, and it's gonna come out with the pants as well. The jacket is so fire. Once again, dropping this week, I'm kind of salty about. What could we do at this point? There's just so much shit releasing that's gonna get thrown in the mix. We got the cargo pants releasing this week as well, the camo ones. We got the masterpieces tee, which is okay. It's basically the lion eating like a fucking something. It's eating some shit in the wild. The nothing else short sleeve top isn't all that bad. The camo colorway for this one isn't bad, but I definitely am a fan of that minty green colorway more than the other ones. We got the Ramelzy sweatpants. These are a pair of sweatpants that I saw on the lookbook, and I was like, yo, these are actually fire, bro. I'm a huge fan of these sweatpants. Fire. What can I really say? We got the Sacred Unique long sleeve tee. This one is low on the list, and I'm a fan of it, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Even in this neon colorway, it kind of gives me like Yeezy Calabasas merch vibes. I don't know why, but it does remind me of that. There's so much shit, bro, that I low-key can't even touch on all of this. Like, I would be here for so long. I'm gonna just see if there's anything else that I really like up here, and there's not really anything too special besides everything that I mentioned till this point. Just a bunch of shit. I feel like at this point I'm gonna link it in the description, because some of these pieces are not gonna have much resale. Honestly, I'm gonna just leave them here for you guys if you are trying to check it out. We got the reverse beanie, the New York beanie, the shiny reversible puffy. We good on some of these pieces right here, so I'm really not gonna talk about it. I feel like that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys did enjoy, man, go ahead and leave a like. My throat is dry from talking so much. Subscribe to the channel if you are new and want to enjoy more of this type of content. If you are into Supreme Spring Summer 2020 and do want to keep updated on every release that's going to be coming out, make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I will be covering mostly every drop. Click the post notification bells, because I am going to stay on top of every release this season. Any video ideas you have, let me know in the comments below. And with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.
Never see the sun, always see the night. They say they want a real one, they say they want a real one to make them feel young.